Hey guys, today we will be working on our 1965 Cub Cadet 100, doing a little routine maintenance, getting it ready for the 2021 mowing season. So first we're going to check the gas and the oil levels. Open the hood here. As you can see, it is dirty, it is used. If you can see down in the tank there, there's a little bit, looks like. We'll put a little bit in. And come around here, check the oil level. Looks pretty good to me. Now we gotta start it and get it out here, out in the open, so we can look some other things over. Some gas in it. Now this tractor hasn't been started since last fall, but we'll try it and see if it works, I guess. Now we'll try and start it here. Turn the gas on. This always has been a good running tractor, so I'm expecting it to start on the first try. Here goes. Give her some choke. Okay, we'll put a little air in the tires. They look a little low. That feels better. Now we'll check the air filter. Take this little wing nut off here. Careful, don't touch the hot muffler. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dirt in there. Filter itself doesn't look too bad, so we'll just knock the dirt off of it. Okay, now we'll inspect the deck. Let it down here. We'll blow some of the last year's grass off of there. Now we'll inspect the belts and blades. Doesn't look too bad. Now we'll take a look at the blades. Got to be very careful reaching under the deck here. Doesn't feel too bad. Now we'll grease the front spindles in the mower deck. Usually only a couple pumps. Here.